to Hue, a city where the pulse of life is woven with markets, ocean breezes, and centuries of history. Here, you'll find a quiet rhythm, a balance between the past and the present. From the ocean to the food stalls, it's a sensory wonderland. So join me on this trip as we explore together the markets, the food, the history, and the parks of Hue. I began my morning with Banh Beo, a delicate savory rice cake, right by the ocean in a small hidden restaurant in a seaside town. Each bite was a burst of tradition. Pork, shrimp, light savory sauce. It's tangy, it's fresh, and it's delicious. If you're lucky enough when you're in Vietnam, you're gonna try one of these rice flour cakes wrapped in banana leaves. They're stuffed sometimes with shrimps like this one, other times with pork and whatever type of meat. They're delicious. It's a treat. After that, we moved to the coffee shop right next to the restaurant, and just sitting by the shore, watching the ocean waves in perfect harmony, we had the best coffee to start our day. And then we step into the Imperial City, a place I never thought I'd love. I'm not usually a museum person, but this isn't just a museum, it's a must-do. A window into Vietnam's royal past. Walking through the gates, you feel the weight of history, imperial splendor, and quiet resilience. After that, I discovered Imperial craft beer right here in Hue. It's unexpected. Craft lagers, ales, pilsners, served alongside delicious pizzas. Here, you realize Hue isn't just royal, it's also surprising, a fusion of tastes. Then I went to a walk by the ocean. Though Hue is not famous for it, I found that the beach is still beautiful if you're able to look past the trash. The monastery was beautiful. But what's more interesting is not how the monks managed to live their life quietly, but how the residents themselves managed to find this beautiful work-life balance. You can see them lying in hammocks all along the way. Next, I visited the famous Mazen monastery, which is almost 1 hour out of Hue, an oasis of calm. Every step was like a meditation. As night fell, Hue came alive. Vibrant streets and bold flavors, though as not as charming as Hoi An's nights might be, or Hanoi's, or Bangkok. Still, you'll manage to find some interesting restaurants and maybe some discos if you're interested in dancing.
Restart the session, help them avoid stress, and help them no,
My last stop was in the Dongba market, which is, if you know anything about me, probably was my favorite stop. It is vibrant. If you go there during the day, during the evening, there is a lot going on. And now, especially that Tet is around the corner, everyone seems to be going out for their shopping. Clothes, food, flowers, you name it.